best home security system company. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. SimpliSafe. SimpliSafe is a no-contract alarm system that simplifies home security. At refreshingly affordable rates, they provide DIY protection for a variety of household tasks. There's no doubt that this provider is worth looking into. Vivint. The software is packed with advanced technology, but somehow it has still remained intuitive and simple to use. When it comes to security and automation for your entire home, Vivint does it best. We found the home automation options to be the most impressive in this company among all the companies. ADT Home Security Systems. ADT's mission is to provide high-quality monitoring and reliable equipment. ADT is the industry's largest home security brand, having been around for 140 years and serving 7 million customers. Our favorite part of ADT Pulse was the app and features that were available for it. Cove. Our DIY and monitoring systems make your home secure without a contract. The launch of Cove coincided with the rise of home security companies offering affordable solutions, easy setup, and reliable monitoring. It would be great to see Cove's product line expand and enhance its app experience. Brinks Home Security. The Brinks Home Security System offers a decent lineup of features at a reasonable price. Though we're not fans of Brinks' long-term contracts, we do believe that they are one of the best. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.